Hi, this is Wes from W Farmstead, and this is one of those honey-do list things. So what we got is, I've got a couple chairs here, and they're a couple of those old steel patio chairs. And Tanya's wanting to paint them and clean them up, except for these right here are busted, so I need to be welded. So I'm going to use this Harbor Freight titanium welder and weld them. Now I can tell you this, I'm going to warn you right away. I am not a welder, nor do I claim to be a professional. I just get it done, and if it holds great. Otherwise it may look like dog you know what. Okay, so I'm just saying, don't expect anything. All you're going to see is somebody who just welds and gets her done, just like Larry the Cable Guy. Get her done. So, and no, Harbor Freight is not sponsoring this, okay? But you can see on this, you can kind of see where this has broke. So what I'll do is I'll push that in and just kind of bead weld it all the way around it. This one has broke before right here, just like this one has. So I had to weld it at one time, and you can see it's not great professional welds, you know, which believe me, I'm not. If you want to do that, go to a buddy of mine's named Chris Cape. He's fantastic. I'm not. So I'm just doing what I need to do to get done. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this. It's got two pieces right here that need to be welded down, and then over here I'm going to push this down and kind of weld around this. This should have been in a groove here that was in here, and it came out. So all we're doing is making it so that we can use it for an extended time period. Okay, so all right, I was going to go on ahead and let me see. Where did my, oh. I'm going to kind of just weld it, or grind this off a little bit. Oops. That was interesting. I've never had that happen before. There we go. All right. See if I can get this one. There we go. I just want to be able to get a little bit of a bead on there and push that down, and that's it. So this thing, let me just kind of take off a little bit here. Just give it something to tack to. Yep, it's just something quick to tack to. Okay, so I got one of those old Hobart auto darkening welding helmets. So I had to, it's solar, so I had to put it out in the sun for a while. But it's been a while since I've used this. So like I said, it's trial and error. You're going to probably hear me say a few colorful little metaphors. Okay, but I'm going to do the best I can. Like I said, I am not a big-time welder. Let me see. So just so you know, like I said, I am not a big-time welder. So some of you can laugh all you want at me, that's okay. I don't care, I get it done. Okay, see if I can remember how to turn this thing on. There it is. Okay. All right. Okay, Tanya. Cover your eyes. Like I said, this has been a while, so see how I do. Well, like I said, it's been a while. Cut that off. Okay. Let's try her again. Here we go. Kind of missed the spot a little bit. May have kind of got it. As you can tell, believe me, I'm not a welder. I'm going to come in and go right into here a little bit. So, yeah, no, I don't have welding gloves on. So. Okay. All right. So you can take a look at it. Like I said, all I care is that I get it to hold. It doesn't look great.
And I'm going to paint over it anyway.
And Tanya's going to paint over it, so. Okay. So let me get this last part here. All right. Eyes, Tanya. That was a good one. Yep, I think I got it. I think I got it good enough. Yeah. Okay, so I went on ahead and put on my welding gloves. So, I got it from the bottom side. Okay, so I'm going to come in and just, you know, that may be okay. I may not worry about that. I think that's okay. So let me go on ahead. And we'll pull in this one. This one will be the fun one. I may have to just hold it down with my foot and just do it. Okay. Yeah, I told you I'm not the greatest in the world at welding, so Bear with me. A lot of people can laugh. That's okay. God dang it. I'm having problems seeing. That's what's happening. There's no adjustment on this helmet. And it's going a little bit too dark on me. So I can't see. Boy, that looks bad. I don't know if this is going to be worth even doing, Tanya.
Yeah, it is. It's perfect.
No,
I'm gonna paint right over it, and this is the bottom anyway.
man, that looks bad there. Okay. God, that is horrible.
It's beautiful.
It is horrible.
Perfect.
It is horrible.
Perfect.
Well, this is actually harder to do than regular metal. Just having two metal pieces put together, that's a pain in the butt. But, oh well.
Thank you, honey.
So you can tell I'm not the greatest. Far from it. And please stop laughing if you're sitting there laughing by now. But, well, this is just one of the other things. Like I said, a majority of the times I'll have to weld and weld quickly. And basically weld for something to hold. Like if I need to weld on the brush hogs or something like that in a hurry to get it done, then I can do it and hold and then get a friend of mine who's real good to do it after that. So, you know, to fix what I mess up. So, all right, that's pretty much it. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later.
Okay, so let me just show you what I'm getting ready to do. I've got this patio furniture that Wes, on his honey-do list, he went on and welded the frames back together so that I could actually use them. They're just old patio furniture, metal patio furniture sits outside. They have never been repainted, so I'm going to go ahead and repaint those. Let's check it out and show you what it looks like. Right now, they're just these green patio furniture. It's metal. This is where he fixed it, all looks pretty good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint them yellow and blue. Yeah, I like them both. Those are my favorite colors, I guess, at this particular moment. Really, purple's my favorite color, but that just wouldn't look good out here. So anyhow, this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this metal brush. I'm going to clean up whatever flaking off of here before I can actually start painting. And we'll see how it goes. Well, here they are. Yeah, I have this color thing going on inside the house that you don't see, but it's this aqua blue and yellow. But this is how the chairs came out and how the table came out. All looks good. I like it. I think that'll make a handy little place out here on this deck.